Hello YouTube. It is now day 42 since my surgery. I went and saw my surgeon twice now since my last video. The one just after my last video. I got these lovely bands placed, and then my other surgery appointment, post-op appointment, was yesterday, and I mentioned in my last video that I had a sinus infection. Well, now it has turned into, what the cause of that actually was, is that the tissue has broken down around where my hardware was placed, and so my body is rejecting the hardware, and I am going to have it removed. And I have, when I look into my mouth, because I like to look around to make sure everything's clean, I can see 3 screws. They're like greenish blue. They're pretty color. They're not supposed to be visible, and whenever I do the mouthwash, I can feel it go like where the screws are, and it is very unpleasant, but it comes out my nose, and it's gross. I do still have the ongoing infection, because I had the surgery less than 3 months ago. The bone hasn't really had time to heal, so I need like another month until it can be taken out. I have had a little bit of like a pins and needles sensation, like I still can't feel from like my lips to my chin, and then like this side of my nose is still kind of numb, and then like in here is a little numb, and then like this half of my top lip. I only get painful pins and needles right around this infected area, and you can see it's like really swollen still. Sorry. It's been, it's been a while since I've had to really take any pain medicine, just to deal with the kind of weird sensation. I put a heating pad on my face, or like I'll maybe take Tylenol if I'm feeling like it's kind of getting on my nerves. I haven't really had to walk with a cane for about 2 weeks, so my hip is healing nicely from where they removed the bone graft. It only really bothers me if I accidentally like sleep on it, and unfortunately, like I've always liked to sleep on that side, so like it doesn't feel very good in the morning. But it has been getting a lot better, and it's not as painful as it was before. So my stitches have finally all come out. They were along the inside of my mouth. They were all along, they weren't really in the front on the bottom, but they were all up here, down, and then kind of like way back in the back, and then they ended like back in here. And so far, my stitches out here, that were out here, they're all nicely healed. I haven't had any complications. They just kind of dissolved, and then like some of them I would like be brushing my teeth and they would like kind of catch on my braces, so like that was really uncomfortable. But that was when they were in the process of breaking down, and so they didn't really last long after that, and so it wasn't a very long discomfort. Also, once all the stitches were out, I felt comfortable again to use my electric toothbrush, so that was nice, because I love my electric toothbrush. It gets everything a lot cleaner. I am currently back on the prescribed mouthwash for keeping my infected area clean, since there's nothing they can do about it until I've had more time to heal. My diet has been pretty close to normal. I'm not biting into things, and like it doesn't feel good to chew on this side, so like everything I eat I chew on this side. But everything, I mean, I'm eating not super hard foods, like I'm not eating hard candies or anything really chewy, but I did eat like pizza and chicken nuggets and just stuff that is a lot more filling than the liquid diet was. They did mention that once this stuff has been removed that's causing the infection, that I will be back on a restricted diet. They didn't go into too much detail, but I have a feeling it's going to be another liquid diet. I am able to open my mouth a lot better now as opposed to even like a week or two ago. And I'm not having as much difficulty really being able to get stuff in my mouth like I was before. And it is a really slow process to be able to like open your mouth very wide after surgery. So that has been really nice to be able to actually eat normally. Um, I still have to avoid things that can kind of get stuck in my braces, like popcorn and chips and stuff, which I love chips, so that sucks. But yeah, overall, things are going okay, and I am excited to get to the 3 month mark so I can have this taken care of and the hardware removed. And hopefully everything will go smoothly from there. So, thanks for watching my update video.